Hi, my name is Tony, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite pasta salads. It's good all year round, but especially for the summertime. Start with one 1-pound package of pasta and cook it according to instructions. I'm using this pasta. I got it at Marshall's. I was roaming down the aisle and saw this one, and it's a cute shape. It's cavatappi. Please tell me if I said it wrong, but that's the one I'm using. But you can use any pasta shape that you'd like. This has been cooked and cooled. Next, add in 1 cup of sliced halved cucumbers, 1 cup of halved cherry tomatoes. If you don't have cherry tomatoes, you can also use diced Romas. I like those because they're not really seedy and liquidy in the middle. This is 3/4 cup of a diced red onion. If you don't have red onion, you can also use a yellow onion. This is 1/2 cup of green bell pepper, diced. And if you don't have a green bell pepper, you can really use any other color bell pepper. I like getting as much color and texture in here as possible, so I would probably do an orange if you're trying to make it the prettiest, but if you're trying to make it the cheapest, the green one is good. Add 3 tablespoons of parsley. You can use curly or Italian parsley. In the printable recipe I've included down below, it calls for 1 2.25 ounce can of sliced olives. I did not want to have to buy those, and I knew I had these Kalamata olives, so I'm just going to add the whole thing in. My sister already sliced and drained these for me, so I'm just going to add them in. We really love olives, so we don't mind there being a little bit extra than the 2.25 ounces. And if you're trying to cut down costs with this salad, the black olives will definitely be cheaper, but if you happen to have other olives on hand, those would be a great addition as well. Then this is 1 15-ounce can of drained and rinsed garbanzo beans, also called chickpeas. Add in a drizzle of olive oil. 1/8 cup to 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. I'm using 1/4 cup because we really like our salad to have a strong flavor, but sometimes it can be a bit overpowering if you are not used to eating a lot of foods with vinegar. So I would say start with a 1/8 cup of balsamic vinegar and then go from there after tasting it first. I'm gonna add in some lemon juice. Oh, don't do that. I'm glad it didn't get in my eye. I feel like once a week I squirt myself in the face with a lemon juice or lime juice. I'm gonna try to get all of the lemon juice out of this. Add in some salt, mix it all up now. It's so pretty. I love when salads have a lot of different textures and colors. When I'm making this for us at home and I happen to have some avocado, it is so good in there. I dice it up. I like it to be really ripe avocado so it makes the salad a bit creamy. So if you happen to have an avocado on hand, I definitely recommend adding it. The salad is ridiculously good. It's very customizable and perfect for feeding a big crowd or meal prepping. I am including the printable recipe down below. If you decide to make it, please let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to know how you modified it and made it your own. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye.